Yeah, we're back. Yeah, it's raining outside. It's Saturday. And thank God it's raining, you know. Everything they're complaining, yeah, we haven't got enough water. Well, we've got enough water. We've got these nice roses actually, as you can see here. And we have to exchange these wooden ones here actually. We put a diagonal on already. You can see. So we have to put this out. We've got some steel stuff going on. We have to change that. And at the moment we're just cleaning our lathe, you know, because this weather here, gonna clean our lathe. Yeah, we just made a few small jobs, you know. This is in the way actually. There we go. Yeah, we've got some brass here. Might have made some steel, so we're gonna clean our 3-jaw chuck. And back here too, same thing. Clean everything. Yeah, we got this petrol with diesel and oil. I'm gonna clean this bottom piece here. Clean everything, because I haven't done that for a few weeks. See, it's all grinding everything. Yeah, we did clean our tool holder. What goes onto there actually? Goes into there. We did clean this one here. We didn't take it apart because you have to open this nut here, and you know, it's not really necessary. We cleaned it here. We put some oil in there actually, because that's where it goes actually. And that is that. So that's that. I'm gonna clean our lathe. And yeah, drilling machine, we did drill some stuff, but we left the wooden piece on here, you know. So I'll see you next time.